favorite milestone ko siguro is when I was discovered. When I was 9 years old, when I competed for the 6th Cebu Pop Music Festival. Kasi doon nag-start po lahat ng aking career. So that was 1986. So sabi ko nga, from then on, doon talaga nag-umpisa na lahat. I did a lot of movies, albums, concerts abroad. And then, I did theater for a while. So, alam mo yun, yung mga opportunities na ganun, talagang naibigay sa akin. Kaya I am very grateful for all the people na naging parte ng buhay ko sa showbiz.
Kaya maraming salamat, Miss Vina, kasi grabe ang ibinigay mong inspirasyon sa aming lahat through your music.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, ang dami talagang milestone. Like sa theater naman, I did Broadway sa New York. That's one of the milestone na hindi ko rin makakalimutan. And other one is when I competed for our country, yung ASEAN Icon. Kasi syempre iba pa rin yung nagdadala ka ng, alam mo yun, karangalan sa ating bansa, sa Pilipinas. Kaya for me, isa rin yun sa mga milestone na hindi ko rin makakalimutan.
Grabe. I'm such a fan.
I am a fan of you. Totoo yun. We are so thankful that you are a part of Born to Shine. Because, you know, I mean, as young Dara, I mean, Julianne is such a good singer, a very good performer, napakaganda, a very good actress. And not only that, she can dance. So saan ka pa, di ba? Young
Kasi
Dara talaga.
Idol ko kasi si Miss Vina.
No, I
Actually,
am
talaga
really
inspired
happy.
talaga ako sa inyo eh.
Oh, thank you.
Kaya
Thank you
naman,
for
Miss Vina, eto na nga po. Ngayong tatlong contenders ang maglalabas ng alas nila to win your vote. Ano ba ang maibibigay mong advice para sa kanila?
Nako, ano bang Well, Direk, eto na nga ba, Perry? Sabi ko na eh. Ito kasi yung contest, no? But I'm sure everyone will give them their best. And just, you know, just enjoy it. Enjoy the music. And just give your best. Yun siguro ang ma-advise ko.
Alright.
For sure.
Thank you,
Yun
Miss
naman.
Vina.
For everyone.
O, tignan nga natin kung ma-achieve yan ng una nating contender. Sa first impression, parang si Rufa May.
May.
Yes.
Yes,
guys.
kumari ko yun.
Yes,
Pero
Ate
totoong
Peachy.
Rufa May ba to?
Ate Peachy, gusto ka dyan?
Oo nga. Mare, kumusta ka dyan?
Ito,
Oo.
Rufa May Pero syempre kapag kumanta, she is undeniably Rufa Me.
Rufa May.